Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to order Revolut cards. Now, if you're looking for the physical card of Revolut, which can be used in stores or even online, this video is for you. First, you'll have to open Revolut application. Then once you go to the home page, here you will find on the top right side this card icon right here. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you will get this page. Simply click on add new. After that, you can pick your card, whether it's debit, pro, or under 18 from these options on the top. And after that, click on physical card. It will show you multiple options. You can choose between one of them. Here I have the standard one, which will cost me only 8 euros for the delivery fee. Here you can find other options like the Ultra Platinum, which require Ultra Plan to get it. And here also we have the Metal Black, which also require a plan to have it. So you can simply navigate between different cards and check which one is suitable for you. But in this video, I will go for the standard one. So I will simply click on get a standard. After that, you can customize your card. You can add your own design just right here, and you will have to pay more 4 euros for that. So keep that in mind. If you do not want to customize it, just click on skip. And now you should enter your PIN. After entering your PIN, you'll have to add your delivery address. So add it in details, and here you can find the confirmation for the delivery. Just click on continue and confirm it. And here also it will show you the delivery process, how long will it take and how much money will you pay. So click on continue, and finally here is the page of checkout. So you just have to pay for the delivery fees, and after that you're all set, and you just have to wait till they deliver to you the physical card. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.